Today we're going to be adding color using our oil pastels to our photocopied picture of the dragon's eye. I have added, I believe, 2 different eyes to your folder that I sent home with you. You can choose whichever one you would like to add color to. We are only going to use one. I just wanted to give you some options. When you are choosing colors that you are going to add gradation with, you want to make sure that you are keeping in mind the color wheel and making sure that you are choosing colors that make sense to blend to each other. You want to choose colors that are going to be analogous, which means that they're neighbors on the color wheel. So yellow and green are neighbors, so those would be good colors that you could use to blend to each other. Violet and blue, red and violet, red and orange, yellow and orange. Okay, and I've also attached an image of the color wheel to the post in Google Classroom for you to reference as well. So make sure that you are choosing those neighboring colors on the color wheel, or you are doing lights to darks of the same color. So for example, light green and dark green, or light blue to a light, or a light blue to a dark blue would be a good idea as well. So you're just going to start out whichever colors you would like. I would stay away from those neutral colors and just focus on those colors that are on the color wheel, keeping those in mind as you do that. I like to start from the middle, and I like to work my way out when I am coloring, but however you would like to do this. So now that I have my dark blue added there, I could do a violet, I could do a green, or I could do a different shade of blue. Those would all be good options to do next to the blue. So I am going to actually do a violet or purple, because those are neighboring colors. Okay, and then just like we practiced last week with our gradation exercises, you want to put those colors right next to each other or even overlap them a little bit. And then you're going to use that pad of your finger and you're just going to blend from one color to the other. And now I want this to kind of seem like it's coming out from that eye, from the center of my eye. So I am going to make sure that I am blending that way with my finger, from the middle outwards. Okay, and then you're just going to keep adding your colors, keeping in mind those neighboring colors on the color wheel to this whole sheet. I'm going to be looking that you are blending the colors, that you are choosing smart colors that you are placing next to each other, and just that you have completed this. When you have completed this, go ahead and take a picture and send it my way. Just a couple of reminders as you finish up here today. I will give you Tuesday and Thursday this week to work on this. After that, we will be continuing this project. There's more that we are going to be doing with this. So you will have Tuesday and Thursday for work time on this, getting those gradations done with the oil pastels, making sure that you are using analogous colors. Pull up that color wheel that I have attached on Google Classroom, or you can always make sure that you are doing lights to darks of the same color as well when you are blending. You also want to make sure that you are using clean fingertips as you are blending, and making sure you're always starting with your light color and blending to your dark so that your dark doesn't all of a sudden overpower all of your lighter colors. If you have any questions, always reach out to me. I am here and more than happy to answer any questions you may have.